Hello everyone, welcome to the Rustic Door YouTube hub. Here are the rules to participate. Our generous 34 sponsors, and our 16 amazing artists. This is my project which I created for the hub. It's a double door concept with a rustic effect. The double door is created with cardboard and chipboard and covered with white gesso. I have used stencil brush to give little textures to the door. This small door is made of MDF with the Element Craft Studio stencil and mixed media paste from Itsy Bitsy. I am stenciling a brick background onto the big door. Now adding the crackle paste on the doors, on the side doors and somewhere in the center. Here I am stenciling few textures on the background. Now I am painting the small MDF embellishment door with browns, teal and orange to give a background. Here I am mixing gold crackle texture paste from Finaware with a rust mica powder from Finaware and giving the texture to the small door. This will form cracks. Look at the cracks and the stencil done on the main door. Now I'm adding few of the Lindy's spray. This is cotton candy pink. I'm using a coral color. Now adding Kawabanga copper Lindy's shaker with water spray to give a little copper effect. Adding Blue Whale Lindy's spray again. Taking Lindy's Tornado Black spray to give the effect only on the sides of the door and on the hinges. adding autumn crimson spray for a little brick effect. The small door will be embossed with etched marine embossing powder to give a nice rusty effect. Adding a little bit of gold wings embossing powder from Lindy's. The Craftangles rust paste I'll be using on the small door to give it a rustic effect. First will be the brown color, followed by a little bit of pinkish, and then the yellows. You can keep on adding the colors till the time you are satisfied. Here I am adding a little bit of black here and there, and autumn crimson also. To give it a little bit more dimension, I am adding Ooh Papa Pink embossing powder from Lindy's. I am adding Craftangles Rust Effect paste combo on the hinges of the door and here and there to complement the smaller door. Adding itsy bitsy embossing texture paste avocado shade to give a little moss effect. Some stamping here and there for more dimension, and we can start assembling our elements. Using Lindy's Magicals, I have made my own elements to complement my background, and you can add these things to your project. I have added a metal charm in the center to give a door look, and on the side doors connected by a chain. I'm adding the same Craftangles rust effect paste on these metal charms to give a rustic effect to my door hinges and locks. Now to complete the door, I have made bars from the skewers and added on the open window of the door. Again, I will cover this up with Craftangles rust effect paste. Here is our final project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do leave your comments and like and subscribe my YouTube channel.